drag and drop like, from the search, as well as use the new speech to text button. So you can just go to Google, find an image you like, put it here, okay? Just drag it and it will show up here, and that's it. And then you can use on the teacher board, you can use this new speech to text button. Just click it, and wherever you want to place it, you put it there, and the button shows up. And on this side is the student board. So the student just clicks the button. This is an apple. And that's it, right? So uh, super easy to use. The teacher can see, of course, through the grid view, all the students working and their apples. You can also give them stickers. You can go, if you want to give them a gift sticker, you can even drag and you can, let's say, a card, right? You can just put it here, drag and drop again, and it'll show up on the student board. That's it. Super easy to use, and you can resize the cart if you want to. And that's it. So the student can see it too. Pretty cool, isn't it?